Hello learners! Welcome to JEG's Classroom. Today, we are going to discuss about common nouns and proper nouns. Now, let us define a common noun. A common noun is a generic name of a person, place, thing, animal, event, or idea. When we say generic, it is a general or common term of something. There is no specific name or brand. Just like the words toothpaste and medicines. These words are generic names and no specific brands were mentioned. Also, a common noun does not begin with a capital or big letter unless it is the first word in a sentence. Let's look at the following examples. Number 1. Not all birds can fly. The word birds here is a common noun and it starts with a small letter only since it is not the first word in the sentence. Now let's see the next example. Birds are animals with feathers. As you can see, the letter B in the word birds is now capitalized. It was written in big letter because it is the first word in the sentence, although it is a common noun. As a recall, always remember the basic rules in making a sentence. A sentence must always start with a capital letter and must end with a proper punctuation mark such as a period, just like the example number 2. Let's proceed with the examples of common nouns classified into the following. For the persons, we have boy, president, girl, hero, and singer. For the places, we have city, province, country, mall, and park. For the things, we have toy, car, pencil, book, and soap. For the animals, dog, cat, bird, snake, and fish. And for the events, we have holiday, ceremony, contest, festival, and concert. Remember that all these are examples of common nouns, and common nouns should always start with a small letter, unless it is the first word in a sentence. Now let's proceed with the examples of sentences using common noun. The first one is, the boy helps to clean the house. The boy is an example of a common noun, which is a person. Number 2. We should love our country. The country is an example of common noun, which is a place. Next, I always read a book before going to bed. The book is an example of a thing, and it is a common noun as well. Number 4. A dog is an obedient pet. Remember that a dog is an animal, and it is a common noun. And number 5, they will attend the festival tomorrow. The word festival is a common noun, and it is an event. Take a look that the letters B, C, B, D, and F in the words boy, country, book, dog, and festival were written in small letters because these are all common nouns. Now that we're done with common nouns, let's proceed to define proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, thing, animal, event, or idea. When we say specific, it is the exact brand name of something. Also, proper nouns always begin with a capital or big letter. Let's look at the following examples. Number 1. We live in Imo City. As you can see, Imo City was capitalized because it is a proper noun. Number 2. Philippines has beautiful beaches. The word Philippines is a proper noun, and it was also written in capital letter P. Now, let's also take a look at the examples of proper nouns. For the persons, we have John, Rodrigo Duterte, Jane, Jose Rizal, and Blackpink. For the places, we have Imus, Cavite, Philippines, SM, and Rizal Park. For the things, we have Barbie, Ferrari, Mongol, Bible, and Safeguard. For the animals, we have Pitbull, Persian cat, eagle, cobra, and gorilla. For the events, we have New Year, Caracol, which is a festival celebrated in Cavite, Valentine's Day, and of course, Christmas. As you can see, all of these are examples of proper nouns, and proper nouns always start with a big or capital letter. Whenever you write a sentence, please don't forget to capitalize proper nouns. Let's take a look at the examples of sentences using proper noun. Number 1. John is cleaning the house. John is a proper noun, which is a person. Number 2. There are plenty of beaches in the Philippines. Philippines is a proper noun, which is a place or a country. Number 3. My mother bought me a Barbie. A Barbie is a proper noun, which is a thing. Number 4. A gorilla is a large ape. Gorilla is an animal, which is also a proper noun. And last but not the least, the most awaited season of all is Christmas. Christmas is an example of a proper noun, which is an event. Notice the letter J, P, B, G, and C were all capitalized because these are all proper nouns. Remember that in writing a sentence, always capitalize the proper nouns. For the final part, let's do a short comparison between common nouns and proper nouns. Let's start with the word boxer. A boxer is a common noun. Manny Pacquiao is a proper noun. School, Alapan Elementary School. Shampoo, Sunsilk. Fish, shark. Holiday, All Souls Day. Now that you know the difference between common nouns and proper nouns, always remember that common nouns start with small letters, and proper nouns start with big or capital letters. This is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned a lot about common nouns and proper nouns. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to support my channel. Hit like and share and click the notification bell for more updates. See you on our next class!